Mandibular nerve lesion at the origin involve all the following muscle except buccinator. Next question. Question number 35. Following have lymphatic except brain. Then question number 36. Trachea bifurcate at the level of during deep inspiration T6 to T7. Then question number 37. Esophagus and duodenum share submucous gland. Then question number 38. Ovarian artery is the branch of aorta. Then question number 39. Phrenic nerve received the branch from root of C3, C4, C5. Then question number 40. Deep peroneal nerve supplies to none of above options. Next question is 41. Thoracic duct and at junction of left subclavian and internal jugular vein. Then question number 42. Horoda tympanic nerve is the branch of facial nerve. Then question number 43. Ansa cervical nerve supply to all of the above. Sternofied, thyroid, omohyoid, and sternozoid. Then question number 44. Nerve supply of extraocular muscles, all of the above. Then question number 45. The symphonoid air sinus open in symphenoethymodal races. Then question number 46. Middle side of a great toe is supplied by nerve symphonis. Then question number 47. Pisiform bone give attachment to pisiformate ligament. Then question number 48. Internal pudendal artery is the branch of internal iliac. Then question number 49. Narrowest part of male urethra is external meatus. Question number 50. Double nerve supply received from adductor magnus. Then question number 51. Superior rectal vein drained into portal vein. Next question, question number 52. Dentate nucleus is the part of cerebellum. Question number 53. Duct of Wirsing open at major papilla. Question number 54. Surface ectoderm give rise to all the following structure except anterior layer of iris. Then question number 55. From all the following ligament contribute to stability of ankle is calneovicular. In dislocation of jaw, displacement of the articular disc beyond the articular tubercle of the temporomandibular joint result from spasm, excessive contraction of the following muscles is lateral petrigoid. Then question number 57. The following surgical removal from nodular cancer swelling in the right breast and exploration to the right axilla. On examination, the patient was found have winged right scapula. Most likely this could have occurred due to injury to the long thoracic nerve. Then question number 59. The pronator quadrates has the same intervention as one of the following muscles is flexor pollicis longus. Question number 60. All of the following of pneumatic bone except parietal. Then question number 61. The kinetic energy of the body is least in one of the following phase of walking cycle mid stand. And question number 62. When a heavy object in a hand is lowered, the extension at the elbow is brought about by active lathering of the flexor. Then question number 63. A 40-year-old tailor complained of pain, numbness, and weakness in the right hand for the last 3 months. On examination, is the hypothesis and atrophy of thenar in hands. Which one of the following nerve likely to be involved? Is median nerve. Question number 64. Meiosis occur in a human male in seminiferous tubercles. Then question number 65. The right lobe of liver consists of which of the following segment? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then question number 66. A young boy was driving motorcycle at the high speed, collided with the tree, and was thrown at his right shoulder through was no fracture in the right arm, was medially rotated at the forearm, pronated. The following fact occurring, the patient are correct except the median and ulnar nerve are affected. Now anatomy is over. Thus, then next part is released soon.